Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A paradigm shift in recreational vehicles is envisioned by the 2026 Toyota Motorhome super-powered luxury future home, which combines Toyota's well-known dependability and technological innovation with an unparalleled degree of luxury and futuristic style. This fictitious car wants to be more than simply a motorhome. It wants to be a mobile haven, an independent, luxurious home on wheels that is driven by state-of-the-art technology. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome super-powered luxury future home's external appearance is probably going to be different from the typical motorhome aesthetics. Anticipate a sleek, aerodynamic shape that may use cutting-edge materials to save weight and improve performance. With the use of electrochromic technology, large, panoramic windows might be effortlessly incorporated into the design, providing residents with immersive views of their surroundings while preserving their privacy. Integrated lighting systems would probably be a key component, adding to the space's futuristic yet hospitable aspect for both practicality and ambience. With their smooth integration into the roof structure, solar panels would allude to the car's sophisticated power management features. The luxury future home moniker would be evident as soon as one stepped inside. A large, flexible plan that makes use of clever design concepts to optimize living spaces would define the interior. From self-cleaning surfaces to luxurious upholstery supplied responsibly, premium, sustainable materials would probably be used throughout. The kitchen would be a showcase of innovation, with smart appliances and possibly even vertical hydroponic plants for fresh vegetables, while the living area could have furniture that can be moved around to accommodate various demands. The sleeping area would be planned for maximum comfort and peace of mind, perhaps with improved climate control and lighting that follows the circadian rhythm. With its opulent fixtures and water-saving technologies, the bathroom would have the appearance of a spa. Immersion sound systems and holographic projections would be used to seamlessly incorporate entertainment. There would be widespread connectivity, enabling residents to manage every element of their mobile environment through high-speed internet access and smart home integration. A novel approach to energy management and propulsion is suggested by the super-powered future home feature. One may imagine a very efficient electric drivetrain, perhaps enhanced by hydrogen fuel cell technology for increased range and zero emissions, albeit specifics are conjectural. To ensure self-sufficiency, a sophisticated energy management system will strategically distribute electricity from many sources, such as solar, regenerative braking, and external charging. One important element would probably be autonomous driving, which would let passengers unwind and enjoy the ride. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome super-powered luxury future home may include amenities that improve well-being in addition to transportation and lodging, like integrated health monitoring and sophisticated air purification systems. To develop a genuinely remarkable mobile living experience, the overarching design philosophy would probably place a high priority on comfort, sustainability, and seamless technological integration. This potential motorhome is a daring vision of how people will travel and live in the future, combining Toyota's engineering expertise with the newest in luxury and technology.